Hey, and welcome to the video. I just wanted to get a few things out of the way first. So the story behind how I got these spiders. I entered there was a live stream on Tarantula Collective, and I happened to tune in just at the right time. He was giving away, well, here, I'll let you see for yourself.
$200 gift certificate to arachnidrarities.com. Now, this is like the go-to place to get scorpions. This guy's got all kinds of amazing scorpions, and he's just a really nice guy. So if you want to win some, well, I think he's got stuff other than scorpions too. I think he's got some other invertebrates. But if you want to win this $200 gift card to Arachnid Rarities, listen up, and yeah, make sure you hit that like.
So that was the prize that he was giving away. And this is the question that I answered. And actually, I don't know how because my internet's not very fast, but I was the first. So here that is.
Here comes the question. This is so easy. How many legs do scorpions have? Or is it a trick question? Maybe it's a trick question. How many legs do scorpions have? What's up, Tarantula Haven? Good to see you, dude. Wow, they just all came pouring in at once, and there were some that are way off. So the first one shows up in my chat right after Tarantula Haven made that comment is Gather for Magic with the correct answer 8. Oh, there's so many people got.
All right, and without any further ado, let's start cracking open these spiders. Okay, it's finally here. Let's crack her open and see our spooters. Try not to cut this too much. Opening this like I've never opened a box before. I feel like I'm gonna have to. Okay, let's see here. Can I do it like this? Get whatever this is. There we go. Check this out later. That's just my shipping label. Thanks again to Brandon at Arachnid Rarities and Rich over at the Tarantula Collective for the whole giveaway. This is going to be so cool. I've never done a tarantula unboxing. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I got a sticker. Check out that Arachnid Rarities sticker. We're going to go this way, so hopefully yeah. Alright, got our sticker. I'm guessing this is our heat pack because I live in a bit of a chilly environment. And he wrote enjoy and put a little smiley face on there. Yep, there's the heat pack. Keeping our babies safe. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow. Alright, just our paper. Okay. So I knew I knew the 5 because I ordered, like, in the giveaway I went on there and I was able to get the spiders. So let's see, because it looks like we definitely got some extras in here. And I love this little container that he sent it in. This is really cool. It says packed with care for Michael. That's me. That's Gather for Magic. That's me. Okay, let's see here. A little bit of tape here. Sorry, this is my first video. Hopefully I'll get most of it in screen. I'm trying to be careful. All right. So let's do these guys uno by uno. And we're just going to see what they are. See what we got. So we have Salmopius Victori, Darth Maul Tarantula. I already got names all picked out for these guys. I might put them on the screen. We have Salmopius Erminia. I should check these and just make sure they're doing okay. Let's see if we can... I know these guys can be a little... You gotta be really careful. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that for right this second. We'll pull them all out and then I'll check them here in just a second. So we got our Victori, our Erminia. We have, ooh, he sent me a Redunculus. Salmopius Redunculus. That is the orange mouth, I believe. And we can see a little leg sticking out there. Just a little. That is so cool. I love the arboreal species, so that was a surprise. We have another Erminia. Yeah, I got 3 of these guys because I am hoping that at some point I will have some mature females. We have our second Victori. I got 2 of these, hoping to get at least a female. All right, and we have our third Erminia. Ooh, he hooked me up with another Redunculus. That is so cool. Oh my god. And a third Victori. That is next level. I am pretty blown away right now. Yeah, so if you get the chance, you need to check out Arachnid Rarities. They do a lot more than just tarantulas. They do scorpions and centipedes and true spiders. They have some nifty cave spiders and stuff, tailless whip scorpions. But the selection is amazing and the price is just wow. Best I've seen. All right, so let's go check these guys out and get them rehoused. All right, so we are ready to rehouse the Salmopius Victori. I have these 2-quart mainstay containers from Walmart. I have a bioactive substrate mix, but I mean Reptazoo soil would work fine. There are some isopods and springtails. So I went through with these guys and I pulled, oh, he is right at the edge. I pulled the little plugs on these. So I won't do that with the Erminia. I'll show you guys me pulling the plugs out. But let's rehouse this guy. Let's see how they're feeling today. See if they want to just walk out. into their cork bark hide. Usually I would, okay, well, if they're gonna be chill, can you see that? It's our little Salmopius Victori, 3/4 inch, super cute. So I'm gonna try to just pull out this paper. Much easier said than done. Perhaps we'll just set the container down inside and I'll use my paintbrush to try to coax them out. I know I'm a little shaky, I'm just excited. Alright, let's use this. You just got a little spook there for a second. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry, buddy. Giving you an earthquake ride right now. Let's just set them down in here. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh, okay. So we set them down in here. Kind of backed way up into his container. I don't blame him. I was shaking like an idiot. Let's see here. Take our paintbrush. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's going to make things easier. Okay. You can see he's right there. He or she. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Biggest rookie mistake. Just drop your spider in the enclosure. Let's just go ahead and see if we can coax him out. Kind of tap on the back side here. Let's try to unwrap this a little. Got our lid handy. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely not the most steady-handed fella. There we go. They're starting to walk out. I know the lighting is not excellent, but I'm just going to have this handy. Because I know the Salmopius can be kind of quick. You are not wanting to come out. This is the tip of a paintbrush, so it should be okay. Look, I'll give you a crack to crawl into. Just go right over here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Steady the hand. Show him the crack here. Let me reiterate. First ever unboxing and rehousing of a Sling. Okay. Go on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Don't run. Just be cool. Look at your new house. It's beautiful. I made it just for you. Oh, there we go. You're looking good. Okay. Let's see if I can get some light on him. You can kind of see him there. We will get some more shots here coming up. So you will be able to see. Oh, and look at that little green booty. That is beautiful. So, very cool. Salmopius victori, not bolty. Okay, keep my mouth shut because we don't need to jinx that, right? Let's put our lid on. Whew. That is one successful rehousing. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Hopefully it goes a little bit smoother than that, because I feel like that probably took a long time. I don't know if it'll be as long for you as it was for me. I am a little curious about whether or not they're going to eat the isopods, but fingers crossed they're all good. All right. Okay, so let me double check and see where this one is. Because like I said, I did pull the plugs on the Victories already. Which, oh, I can just look on this side. Whoop. Oh, I forgot I zoomed you in there. Yeah. Alright, had a little bit of a hiccup there. But we're back with our second Salmopius victori here. And his little house is kind of chunked in on him there. See a little leg sticking out. So let's see if we can make the second rehousing here go a little easier than the first. Let's just pull this entire thing. We didn't have any twisting. What are we thinking here? Let's try to get them to come out like this. Give a little poke. Very gentle. Actually, I will use the paintbrush to give gentle poke. Perhaps we try unraveling a little. See them tucked in there. Okay. Try and set it so it can easily come out. Sorry, I was just really focused there for a minute. I still am very focused, but I'm just trying to spread this out a little bit. You can kind of see that. You don't get the best view from up there. Boop. Let's give you a better view. Hopefully it'll focus in. There we go. That was a little better. Okay. Come on, little fella. Okay, I know you're shaking. Well, I'm shaking, so you're shaking. We all shaky. Okay, check this out. I got you a very cool new house. Oh! He just bit the paintbrush! Oh, that was something. Alright. They're awake. My goodness, I don't know if you could see that, but they totally did not enjoy me poking them. Oh, they're taking a little walk up here. You can kind of see. Hello. He's webbing. Yeah, go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and just leave his little piece of paper in there. And hopefully I can get it from him when he goes and decides that the cork bark is a much better decision. Oh my goodness, that was adorable. That was the most adorable bite and threat posture I've ever seen. Actually, with my tarantulas, that is like the first threat posture I've ever got. I have a Brachypelma albiceps, and two avicularias to go along with all these guys. So that was wild. Well, let's see if I can get the paper towel. I'm feeling ballsy. Okay. Give him a little tap on the bottom. See if we can get him to go on. Give him a little tap on the leg. He's checking it. There we go. He's getting on the cork bark now. And he's on the cork bark. So let's see if we can snatch our TP. Oop. I dropped my lid on him. Not on him, but like by him or her. Gave him a little spook. So let's just put this up here. Have our paper towel. And that went way smoother than the first one, didn't it? I'd say so. These lids are kind of interesting, but there's not enough room either way. Oh, yeah. All right. And for our third and final Psalmobius victori, or victory, I don't know. Victory. Feels like victory. So this one has their toes right up there by the entrance. Oh, that's a good look at the toe. Look at that little toe. Okay, so let's hold this down here. Let the thing refocus. There we go. Okay. Alright. Salmopius victori number 3. That. Isn't that neat? Anyway. Okay. Let's give you a little tug out of here. Nice and smooth. Set them right up against the cork bark here. Go ahead and give them a little tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Let's see here. Like, I see everybody, okay, I see everybody online, like, all these other people who open tarantulas. I see them just kind of pushing, but I don't want to push on this at all. It just does not sound like a fun time. See if we can get the brush to give them a little. There we go. Come out. Touch your back leg. So I learned a lot from Dave's Little Beasties. You want to keep constant contact with them. I learned a lot from Tom Moran, Tarantula Collective, all of these guys. Okay, can I have this? Can I please? No, you really want it? Come on, your house is way cooler than this. Thank you. See, they are very fast. Let's see if you can see this one. They all have that beautiful green abdomen at this size. It is magnificent. Okay. Pikachu. Oh my. This one is quite fuzzy. I didn't really take a stop to look at the other ones, but I will try to get some footage of all of them in their new enclosures once we're done here. So next up, I will be rehousing the Salmopius reduncuses. Alrighty, so let's get working on the Salmopius reduncus. So some things I forgot to mention about the Salmopius victori a minute ago. The Salmopius victori is like the only arboreal tarantula in Mexico. They just found it back in 2014, I believe it was, and they are so cool. They get all red in the back, I think it was, and all black in the front, hence the Darth Maul Mexican half and half common names. So the Salmopius reduncus here is the Costa Rican orange mouth, and I am excited to rehouse these guys. Let's see, where did I put my tongs? I'm always misplacing my stuff. Kind of. Okay, let's take a peek at the Costa Rican orange mouth. Oh, hi. I see your butt. You see the butt? I'm gonna touch the butt. Okay. So this one's gonna be just backwards compared to all the other guys were face up. This one might be a little bigger than the Victori were. I am really interested. I think these guys have a lot more of the greens on them, if I remember correctly. But who knows? I could be. Oh my god. Second time in this rehousing that I have dropped the spood. You don't want to drop the spood. That is rude. My dude. Let's see if this one's got a tood. Because, I mean, I remember that Salmopius, that Victori, was a little sassy. So let's see about the Reduncus. See if we can get a peek at what's going on in here. Yep, he's still just doing his handstand. Let's see if we can open this up. Sorry if my hands are blocking the way. He's very little. I do not do much like detail work. They are just hiding from the world. Like, no, I am not here. I do not exist. So let's give you a little poke on the leg. Oop, just a little poke. He's like, no, I am not here. They're hunkered down. There we go. Starting to get some movement. There we go. Just go for a little walk, my friend. Oh. No, no, no. We aren't coming out. See, now that one tried to do the old bolt and run. Oh my gosh. Has none of this been in focus the whole time? Oh, goodness gracious. That's okay. I apologize for that. Let's see what this little one is doing in here right this second. Where are you at? Oh, okay. They went and like kind of plopped themselves down in a corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my toilet paper out of here. Hopefully this will focus, but I'm sorry if you have a hard time seeing anything in here. I'm just making sure where they're at. Okay, they're still where they were. This one ran all the way around the enclosure. So the Victori were super chill compared to Redunky Boy here. I don't know what I'm gonna name these guys. Quite an interesting little spood. Okay, let's go to Redunkus number 2. Redunkus part 2. Let's see if this one's just as redunculous as the other one. Okay. You can see them already up here at the corner. Yeah, it's not, sorry guys, not a great camera, but I does the trick. Ooh. They are already coming out. So. Okay. This is a little precarious. There you go. Oh, this one's a little bit bigger. Okay. Please let go. Did you let go yet? There we go. Oh wow, that one is big. Let's see if I can get a quick shot here. Can you see that? That is pretty. Oh my goodness. That is a beautiful spider right there. All right. Whew. Can't lie. Like, it gets my nerves going just because I don't want anything to happen to these guys. Wow, that is a beautiful little critter. I wonder if these guys are going to eat the isopods that I put in there. Okay, so that was the redunkies done. I am going to do the Salmopius erminia next. I actually have to go to the store really fast. I've already peeked at them. They're all doing great, just like all of the other spoods so far. I need to go and get a few more enclosures because I knew for sure I was getting 5. I had some other enclosures set up, but I need to get some enclosures. So I will be back and we will do the Salmopius erminia. Alrighty, since the opportunity arose, I'm going to show you how I did the enclosures. I have my 2-quart mainstay container here. I'm just going to take some Zoomed Reptisoil, fill up a good bit here. The younger Erminia do like to dig, so and they will use some of that soil for their dirt curtains. We got about a couple inches of coverage down there. That should be good. And then I like to take I just got some sphagnum moss here. Take that, sprinkle it around in here. They'll use that for their dirt curtains as well. About at the bottom of the barrel here. Here we go. We got our handy dandy and always trusty soda cap water dish. Get that in a corner where you don't have any moss sticking into it because that will wick all of your water out. We will get this moist once we get our spooder in there. And then I'll just take some cork bark and kind of try to make a little hide over here. I had some other pieces of cork bark. These ones are just what was left essentially. So we'll just try to kind of make it look like a nice little hide over here. Well, we don't want anything too precarious though. There. Just got a nice corner built up there, somewhere you can go when they need to. So that's essentially the entire idea. Pretty easy, pretty cheap. All right, let's get rehousing. All right, Salmopius erminia number 1. Let's just go ahead and zoom that in there for you. Okay, so these guys can be bolty and they can jump, but we're gonna just go ahead and hope for the best. So we pull out nice and gentle, make sure that there's no twisting going on. Don't want our spider getting squished. Let's see if I can raise them up here. Oh, gotta remember where my lens is. See if it would focus. You would see the little stripes on the butt. But it's not gonna focus, so that's okay. I'll get some pictures later. Let's set her down in here. Unwrap like we have been. We've got a little method to the madness now. All right. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this to open up. Oh. Hello. Peekaboo. Let's see if we can sort of tease them out. Come on. Nope. They think they're hiding. So let's see here. They definitely wrap these up really good. Arachnid Rarities definitely knows what they are doing. Brandon is very good at breeding these little spoods and getting their venom for his research at Verve Biotech. Let's see if we can convince them to go on a little walkie walk. Let's see if I can. Get a look there. Okay, so try to give him a little tickle here. Sorry, the angles are not great. There we go. You can see him now. Let's see if we can give him a little tickle. And hopefully they do not freak out. I know, I just kind of jumped, didn't I? And you're going up the wall. Oh, very bolty and freaky now. Okay. See, there we are up in the corner. So I'm going to let this one chill before I retrieve the paper towel. On to Salmopius erminia number 2. Oh. We are rocking and rolling. off the cap. Forgot I had you zoomed in there for a second. Let's go ahead and pull our plug. We can kind of see our spooter down in there a little bit. So let's go ahead and pull this. All right, we got that out. Go ahead and get her in here. Start unwrapping. Yeah, these guys are one of my favorite tarantula species, just purely from their appearance, but also their attitude. Which I'd say the most toot I've got today was from that Victory who thought it would be cool to bite the brush, which was pretty funny, all things considered. Oi, oi, oi. Very well packed. Very well packed. So I am doing this inside of a larger tote just to make sure that if they do decide to get runny, that I can hopefully catch them in one of the little paper towels that's in here. Just got a little threat posture. Oh, okay. Steady the old hand here. There you go. And coming up the side as well. Alright, they're in there. They're back on their paper towel. Let's see where this one is. Still up in the corner. This one's still up in the corner. Let's see if I can pull the paper towel without alarming them too much. Oh, they are already alarmed. So for these guys, they live in the trees. It's kind of like their response to pretty much anything to just climb. And got the TP out of that one. Let's check where our spider is. Okay. Okay, yeah, nice and calmly. That's how we like things, nice and calm. There we go. All right. All right, let's get the last one done here. Our final Salmopius erminia. These guys will make you sweat, I tell ya. Look at that booty. Please focus. Look at that booty. You can see the tiger stripes already. So cute. Okay. Nice extraction. Oop. Yeah, as long as their heads are tucked in, they think they are hidden completely. This one's starting to realize, like, hey, something's going on. Oh, geez. Trying to get him in a good spot. Let's see if we can get them to do... Oh, here they go. Let's go ahead and... Oh, geez, you've been out of focus the whole time. I am so sorry. Come on now. Refocus. There we go. Now we can see again. So they've come up here. Let's see if I can kind of back them down a little bit. Oh, they don't back down. No, they don't back down. Do 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 do. He got a little squirrely. I mean, I don't blame him. Check that out. What do you think about that? Look, there's like trees and stuff. Go climb them. Oop, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you. Oh, geez, she was... There you go. Go up. It's not really fast. There we go. Almost off. And we're off. Ooh, and she's hiding. Good. Excellent. All right. That is 3 P. erminias rehoused. All right, guys. How was that? That was pretty cool. I didn't get bit. Nothing ran away. And everybody's alive and well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to give a big thank you to Tarantula Collective. I want to give a big thank you to Arachnid Rarities. Brandon was awesome through the whole process. I want to thank everybody who kind of inspired me to do this. Tarantula Kat, Dave's Little Beasties. Like, there's so many. I can't name them all, but all the tarantula YouTubers. Like, thanks for making this a thing. All right, I hope you guys had a great time, and I'll see you later.